This should have a board inside somewhere, so let's get into that, see what's going on. This is a nice little piece of equipment. So it has this nice board with some copper here. I'm going to remove the copper shielding here and keep that. So we got a nice little board here. This IC chips, tantalum, and monolithic capacitors. We even got some gold on here. I think this would be considered a medium board. So that's always nice. Bunch of other crap here I've just been hoarding. So there's another medium board and some wires. That was pretty easy for scrapping. This is nice to have. I keep those. Those static bags are always useful. I have another one of those mini alarm things, alarm consoles, like the previous one. Easy 4 screws, some copper, nice little board. Pick up all those screws that just fell down too.